Can you solve this question? Read it carefully. I'll give you some time. The question is on kinds of income taxes applied on citizens. Solve it. So there are three kinds of taxes: regressive tax, proportional tax and progressive tax. You all know in India we apply progressive tax, in which there are different slabs, 5%, 10%, 20% based on the income, the amount of income. So the third option says progressive tax takes a larger percentage of income from low income groups. No, from high income groups. So progressive tax option will be incorrect. If you read the first option, it says regressive tax charges larger percentage of income from high income groups. No, it is opposite to this. So this will be incorrect too. The second option, it says in proportional tax the same percentage of income is taken as tax from all income groups. This is right. In proportional tax we apply a uniform rate of tax on all income groups. So the second will be right, first and third will be incorrect. The correct answer will be only 1. Those who have solved it correctly, congratulations. For more such discussions, please follow our channel. Thank you.